Yellow only. Oops, try again. Wait first. Where is the lion? This one is lion. Let's color the lion yellow. Where is the color yellow? Very good. Go. Let's color the lion. Go, add more. Lion. Can you find the monkey? Where's the monkey? Where's the monkey, Philo? Where's the monkey? This one? This one? Or this? Where's the monkey? Okay, I'll choose. Monkey. Here, Philo. Where is the color brown? Where is the color brown? Okay, let's color the monkey brown. Okay, go. Up, down. More, go. Add more, Philo. Add more, go. This one, the head. Go, Philo. Alligator daw po. Where's the alligator? Where's the alligator? This one or this? Go. Can you point? This one. Very good. Let's color the alligator. Color green. Where is the color green? Go. Color the alligator green. Here.